Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to design newsletter for YouTube channel on ConvertKit. So first, just simply go for the grow over here and click on landing pages and forms. And after that, just simply click on create new over here on the right side of the screen. And after that, just simply click on landing page. And now from here, guys, you should be able to see here multiple options of templates. So just simply choose what you prefer. But in our case, it will be a YouTube channel. So just simply go for the video over here. And from here, you will have multiple options. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one, for example, and click on choose over here. So pretty much just simply choose what template that you prefer. And after that, guys, you can just simply put your best video that you have by just simply clicking on this. And on the left side over here, you should be able to paste your URL video. So guys, I will be using our own video, for example. And after that, just simply paste the URL over here. And as you can see, it will automatically redirect the video that we just provided. And after that, guys, just simply change the text if needed over here, and just simply provide all of the information based on your brand and even the color as well. And you can go for the general styles as well, so you can change the color, you can edit the video background. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And once you have done all of that, you can just simply click on save, and you can just simply click on publish on the top right. And from here, you can just simply share your landing page to everyone, or you can just simply copy this link and you can just simply share to them directly and just simply sending the link. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.